Precision in design is what separates amateur visuals from professional masterpieces, and today you're about to master that difference. How to explore pattern edge alignment. Begin by launching Adobe Photoshop and opening a new document, setting the canvas to around 1600 by 1600 pixels so you have enough space to clearly evaluate edge relationships. Import or draw your pattern element using the Shape or Brush tool, positioning it near one side of the canvas to intentionally test boundary alignment. Reduce the layer opacity slightly so you can see overlaps as you work, then duplicate the element using Ctrl or Command-J and drag the copy toward the opposite edge while holding Shift to maintain straight movement.